The hormone responsible for metabolizing sugar in the blood is produced in part by the pancreas. Without the pancreas, blood sugar levels can rise to dangerously high levels, putting a person's health and perhaps their life in jeopardy. Therefore, it is important to be aware of the possible symptoms of pancreatic issues. Warning signs that your pancreas is malfunctioning. In this video, while you get some valuable knowledge. Signs of pancreatic dysfunction? Persistent discomfort in the upper abdomen. Signs of a pancreas disease are unexplained abdominal pain that moves to the back. Pancreatic problems can also cause abdominal tenderness or a mushy feeling when touched. Your blood sugar level has increased far higher than it should have, so you should give some thought to your health. Staturia is characterized by greasy, foul-smelling bowel movements. You, and only you, are the one who needs to find the symptom here. It's rather obvious. Bloating, gas and abdominal pain seem to worsen after eating. Persistent abdominal discomfort that radiates to the back. Pain returns in full force every time you finish eating and should be critically studied to know what could be wrong with the body. Rather than jumping to ridiculous conclusions or making inaccurate assumptions. The pancreas is a vital organ, therefore any symptoms that could indicate trouble should be taken seriously.